Hey guys, we're playing a little bit of extreme car driving, and today we're with the Hummer, the yellow Jeep. We thought it was a Hummer, but it's really a Jeep because it goes so slow. In this game, Hulkter got me, one of the fast cars, really fast. Has good drifts, a lot of good stuff. And most of the time it lands on its wheels. It's a good car. If you guys have this game, give me a little bit of information, because I don't really know a lot about this game. A couple years ago, I started playing this game. When I was 3, I started playing this game, and I don't play it very often, so I've never played this game. I have played it, but I just don't play it very often.
I have not had this since you were so.
Well, me and Hulkter, we have played this game, but it was a police mode. I kept fixing the wrench button to fix it, and he got arrested by the cops. And I kept doing that. I kept pressing it, bum 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 bum.
Let's change the color of this car. Change it to black, a white, a black.
How about you mix
German.
it with black and white? A black white.
That?
Yeah, that's a good color.
We go to the city.
Going down to the city, yo.
I'm gonna go to the airport.
Airport! Oh, he knocked down a scarecrow.
The scarecrow deserved it. Let's go to the airport. And we'll hit all these dang cars.
Oh, Willie! I guess it is a Hummer. It is fast. Willie!
Oh! Let's see where it lands.
Oh!
Can I get your stomach? What? Can I get your stomach? What? I want to get your stomach. What? I want to get your stomach now. I need some. Tina, did you just hear what she said? She said, I want to get in your stomach.
Cece, will you please keep it down? Hey, y'all, will you please keep it down? We're trying to do a YouTube video.
Let's go.
This car don't jump very well.
Yeah,
But it does wheelies perfect.
yeah.
See how it jumps. He can't even jump over the first one. Let's see how it can ramp. See how fast this bad baby can go. It goes pretty slow. It goes 183.
Y'all please keep it down. Will y'all go somewhere else, please? Will you please go somewhere else?
Hey, yes, can y'all go somewhere else?
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video. Bye, guys.